the channel, and today's video is about some recent pickups that I have from Zara Origins, Muji and Fort. But first of all, if you're new here and like minimalistic menswear, welcome. Please consider liking, subscribing and sharing this video. With that out of the way, the pickups for today: Zara Origins, a product that I've been wanting to try for a while now, but because of the steep price point, I was waiting for some sale to hit on them, and I'm super happy with them. Big props to Zara, first of all, because they've just been over the curve with at least the user experience and how they've levied technology in store and online, all of it to sync up. They're miles ahead of H&M and Uniqlo in that regard. Also, the quality of Zara Origin, because it is supposed to be a high-end line, I can vouch for it. I definitely do see the difference in it. Both the items I've picked up are in wool, and they're like really thick gauge, high quality wool. It's essentially going to keep you warm, especially the knitwear. And I think that if you can score these for the sale price, they could be really good wardrobe staples and could potentially last you a long time. So with that in mind, let's sit back, relax and enjoy this video. Right, so for the first piece we have the Muji organic cotton t-shirt in white, and I just love this because this shirt just feels right. It is non-see-through, which is hard to come by given that it's a white t-shirt, which is solid. I love the sleeve length. It is more classic in the cut and it feels just right at the edges, and you can see the quality once you get this in hand. The other thing I like is also the length of this t-shirt. I think that it can be easily tucked in, but also when it's left out, it is just seamlessly ending where I would want it to end. The other thing I love is also the collar has been flushed in, so that's really clean. I just hope it was a tad taller, but not a problem. I just love this. It's a great t-shirt. Same with the grey one. I love, again, the color here is kind of more like a light or heathered light grey. Same kind of feel. Love the fabric. Organic cotton really shows the quality. You have to touch and feel these clothes. Big fan of Muji. Big props to them for making these kind of essentials. Could not recommend you guys enough. You definitely need to check these out. Now for the denim, I really like this light blue sort of vintage looking pair from Fort. I think it's reminding me a bit of a pair that I saw from APC earlier. It is very clean. It is in a classic straight fit, but it's too flared at the bottom, so I might get it a bit tapered. This area fits me really well around the hip, and I really love the minimal buttons and rivets that they've used. It really reminds me of a pair that I wanted from APC. Now for the piece from Zara Origins, the knitwear high collar dual zip cardigan in wool. I think this is 50 wool and 50 acrylic, but it's very nice. It's super heavyweight. I probably think it's the heaviest piece I own now, and it's extra warm as well, so this can be used. I think it's a great substitute for like a dual zip bomber jacket, and I kind of love this. It fits a bit snug, but I think it's gonna loosen up and shape to my body. Love the drop shoulder as well, and the ridge detail is very nice. No hanging threads, very clean. And also the color is like deep black. I don't like the faded ones, so I like this. High collar is also something that I love. The zipper itself is extra smooth, and the fixture that they've used is also very nice, very modern. And then finally, the plain black flannel trouser. I just love this because, it's a very high quality wool. You can notice the difference in the weight of it and the flannel itself. Also, it feels super soft against the skin. It's in my true size of 31. Plain black trouser, can't go wrong. I also have a flannel shirt, so I would think of it more like a suit, or at least a minimalist modern one. The fixtures on the lining are super nice. You can see that it's double stitched and the lining itself seems more nicely executed. I think if Zara continue this quality, people are gonna notice. Also, the hook and the fastening are of a higher grade, you can see. Brings me to the wrap of this video. If you like this video, make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. And let me know in the comments down below what are your favorite pieces. If you did check out the Zara Origins especially, and Muji for sure, like get their basics, everything from Muji, move on from Uniqlo. I think it's a better quality. I refuse to agree otherwise. And if you want to follow me more on Instagram, I don't post too often, but I started to post some daily outfits. It's at Uno Minimalist and you can follow me there. Once again, thanks for tuning in. Have a good day or a good night. Laters. Bye.